Flying skateboarding 101. Probably just don't do it. Honestly, my biggest problem is confidence. So, I mean, how am I supposed to be confident? I'm blind and I'm on a skateboard, you know? I should have my blind cane. It's so weird. Yes. And see, this is what I feel bad about, is that I'm in a random ass parking lot. The skate park's over there. The whole take two. Blind skateboarder edition. Blind mom skateboarder is in her natural habitat of blind skating. Oh no, oh no, no, I'm going too fast again. Oh no, oh no, oh no, okay. No comment. Now, let's go watch those boys skate. The professionals. Crazy.